106.1 KYVZ, good Thursday morning. Joe Vazurek visiting now with meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather at America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, a frosty start to the day, but things eventually start to warm up.
Yeah, Joe, I think everybody's kind of getting tired of this wintry weather. It doesn't seem like it's going to ever go away. Every time we go outside, it's either cloudy, temperatures below freezing, it's getting a little slick, there's drizzle, there's fog, and we've got two more systems that we got to keep an eye on here before high pressure starts building to the west and we clear out over the weekend and then have a really nice week next week. We got that upper level trough that's sitting in northern New Mexico. That really doesn't ripple out of here. It's a real slow mover, and it doesn't get out of here and probably until Saturday before it shifts off to the east of us. And then we got two disturbances. We got one this morning. It's in eastern Texas. That's going to go northeast towards Indiana over the next 24 hours, and that's got shower and thunderstorm activity down in the lower Mississippi Delta, and rain lifting up to the north and east. With us on this wraparound backside of it, we've got the fog out there once again this morning. The quarter-mile visibility line today is like on Highway 83. We got that advisory that includes Red Willow, Decatur, all the way down to Oakley and eastward, and then we have a little bit more clearing out to the west. Those of us that are along Highway 25 here have got temperatures that have dipped down into the lower 30s. Those right around 30 where that fog is, and you get out on the border where there's more of a westerly wind. Everywhere else it's kind of calm. As we got 25 in Goodland and 26 out there in Burlington. This afternoon, temperatures will be pretty nice this afternoon. The sun will pop out. This fog will dissipate to our east, and we'll see temperatures climb up there, maybe hitting 50 degrees, lower 50s out there along the border, upper 40s along 25, and into the lower to mid 40s off to the east. And then we've got one more low pressure before this trough completely moves out of here. And that low will develop in the west central Texas area and then move off to the east through the southeast. That track is a little further south than we've been talking the last couple of days. So it does look like that precipitation there Friday morning, mix of snow and rain out on the Colorado border. We're probably looking south of Sharon Springs, more in that Lamar, Syracuse, Kansas area, pretty far south. And then that'll move off to the east. Again, we'll probably have a little drizzle fog in the morning. Temperatures will start out in the upper 20s. We'll only warm into the upper 30s, low 40s. And then when we head towards the weekend, those skies will clear out. Eventually on Saturday, probably towards the latter part of the day, we'll climb up into the middle 40s, heading towards the lower 50s on Sunday with more sunshine. And the next week looks above normal temperatures, dry, and plenty of sunshine, melting the rest of that ice and snow that's out there. High temperatures in the 50s and 60s and lows in the upper 20s and low 30s.
Chris, for a limited time, America's Weather Streaming Channel has a promotional offer for folks.
Yeah, we worked really hard here from Christmas through all this wintry weather and really got our product down and what we want to get to the public. And the one thing we really want to promote is that we're live and local meteorologists in our community. We're always there for you first thing in the morning if you got questions to answer, what your day's doing. We got the technology now to communicate, text messaging, emails. We're putting our own weather app system together where we can do that directly with our customers. And then we've got, model data. We've got packages to all the sophisticated weather computer data systems out there. And we can put those graphs and make our own graphics and offer that to our customers that are the subscribers. So those that are out, just about everybody, all the way from a farmer, trucker, needs that weather information anymore right at their fingertips. And the other thing is, computer apps are set on one model. And these models always change and we're always fluctuating around. And sometimes, we can catch that before something happens. So, we're not no AI, we're not computers, and we're not apps, but we can make decisions and help you make decisions. And that's what we really want to promote. And then we got coverage pretty much across the country. You can find us on Facebook for your state. I'm covering Kansas and Colorado for the company. And then we've got meteorologists to our west and several meteorologists in the Midwest and the Northeast.
Chris, if people would like to sign up for the free trial, how can they do so?
Go to americasweathersc.com, and that'll give you the details about the different subscriptions. There's one pricing for individuals, and there is business. You can get up to 4 users on that business account. So that information is there. You fill out it. You'll get a code for your prescription. We're kind of doing this Groundhog Day promo that if the groundhog sees his shadow, we get the forecast right. It'll be a couple-week trial. If it's wrong, we'll go through the month. We kind of want to catch that next winter storm that we're forecasting. Probably after Groundhog Day, it could come right the weekend directly after it. So we want to get that weather, that wintry weather around forecasted, and just let people try the service and see what they think.
Once again, that's meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. I'm Joe Vazurek on 106.1 KYVZ.